Today we're talking about something that may seem obvious over the last couple of years. Now we're talking tech workers, doctors, entrepreneurs, financial professionals, and engineers. They're packing their bags and they're heading south of the border to the United States. And we're not just talking about the warmer weather. We're talking about a couple of key reasons why this is happening, why so many high income earners are leaving Canada and they're heading to the United States. We're gonna be basically talking about why this is becoming more and more common and whether or not it is even worth it. But first, make sure to hit a like, subscribe, or drop a comment down below. Show the channel some love if you may. In case you haven't met me before, by the way, my name is Leon Mann, and I'm a licensed wealth consultant with Money Assist Financial. And what I do, I help hardworking individuals add an additional multiple 6 to 7 figures to their retirement portfolio. And I also help them to protect the hard-earned money during retirement. Now, when it comes to moving south of the border, many high-income earners are doing this mainly for the lifestyle and mainly for the financial freedom. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the income potential. You see, a software engineer in Toronto may be earning around $140,000. But when you factor in moving to cities like Seattle, New York, Los Angeles, that same software engineer can be earning around $250,000. Not to mention, many physicians and specialists may be able to double their income by moving south of the border. And for entrepreneurs, this means a broader market. It means more opportunities for venture capital. And it also means more ability to expand to a larger area. You want to factor in also with the lower taxes that you pay in the United States, you have more of a disposable income. The second reason is taxes. The high income earners, they're facing the squeeze of both the provincials and federal governments with the tax rates. When you combine the two, it's like for every dollar that a high income earner make, they're basically getting taken away half a dollar. You have certain states like Florida, Tennessee, and Texas, they do not have a state income tax. And when you look at the high income earners and the ability to keep more of the hard-earned money, this becomes a very powerful attraction, and it draws them over to there because they know that they'll be able to keep more of their hard-earned money and they'll be taxed a lot less by moving south of the border. Third is the cost of living crisis. There is no doubt that the average rent in Toronto is above $2,400. And throughout Canada, in most of the major cities, the housing prices have just been ridiculously high. It's been through the roof, if you pardon my pun. And in the United States, it's least expensive and you have larger house. What would you prefer? It leaves a lot of room available for traveling, for investing, and for planning for retirement. Your disposable income pretty much goes a long way, and your income, it goes further in the United States. The fourth is wealth building. Many high income earners, they want better investments. They want to scale their businesses more, and they want to expand and have more flexibility when it comes to enjoying their lifestyle. And the United States, they actually allow them to do this because they have better opportunities available for them to expand. Now, having said this, in Canada, we still have certain advantages over the United States. For one, our quality of life is better. We have stronger social support. We have a universal healthcare system, and we have more safety that is available here in Canada. And for most people, the pros of remaining in Canada far outweigh the cons of moving south of the border. Now, what this goes to show is that not everyone should pack up their luggage and move to the United States, But it goes to show that the higher income earners, they're more intentional. What they want to do, they want to be taxed less, and they want to build wealth quickly, which goes to show is that more people are asking is not how much money you want to make, but it's what you're able to do with that income. How far can you be able to stretch that income to enjoy a better lifestyle? And in most instances, your income should be able to provide you with flexibility. It should be able to provide you with financial stability. And also, it should be able to provide you the lifestyle that you're looking for. And this is something that perhaps all of us should be thinking about. But also, you want to position yourself with the income that you're making. And one way to do this is with investment. But it's how you structure your finances that will determine which choice is more important for you. And know that when it comes to building wealth, all it takes discipline and it takes time. And the sooner that you can put away more of the income that you're looking for, the better it's going to be for you. So I hope you got some value out of this presentation, by the way. And also feel free to check out my other videos where we turn it up a notch. Until next time, I wish you guys all the best. Peace and love, and see you on the next episode. Take care.